On behalf of the Greater Boston Food Bank, I am honored to accept the Drum Major Award. And thank you to the Breakfast Committee and our hosts. Also, congratulations to Rosie's Place, a GBFB food distribution partner, and to Rob Problock Gibbs. Both are exceptional. We are humbled to receive this honor alongside of you. In my 40 years of working with others to end domestic hunger, this recognition is one of the most gratifying because it is the sentiment of the award itself, to put the needs of our community first through the lens of justice with love and generosity. The events of the past year have heightened injustice and racism. These events have also exacerbated the reality of food insecurity as a matter of public health and how it disproportionately impacts communities of color. Even before COVID, hunger rates were 2.5 times greater for Black families than white families. The 2020 census data showed 40% of Black and Latino families struggling to put food on the table for their kids, 3 times more likely than white families. The events of last year reinforce inequity in food access, racial justice, education, and economic opportunity. Reverend King articulated in his sermon in February 1968 at Atlanta's Ebenezer Church the connection between faith and citizenship. While it was not his well-known speech, it cautioned all of us on the drum major traits, these that can drive abuse for self-serving purposes. Instead, he noted if one uses the same energy and the same determination, these traits can be focused as a powerful source for good and for achieving justice. Food insecurity is an injustice, and as Dr. King said, injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. In 1 year, Massachusetts has seen the highest food insecurity increase in the nation, nearly 60% in just 1 year. The team at the Greater Boston Food Bank has worked tirelessly to rise to Dr. King's call of service. The need to distribute more healthy food is directly aligned with the historic surge in demand driven by the pandemic. With nearly 1 million people in our state experiencing food insecurity, GBFB has increased access to healthy food by doubling our weekly distribution from 1 million pounds a week to nearly 2.5 million pounds a week. To address this unprecedented need, our dedicated, passionate, and selfless team members, essential frontline workers, are sacrificing their health and time with their families. Some are up at it before the light of morning, and many until sunset each day. Our team members are giving it their all, and they are coming back the next day, and the next day, and the next day, all to make sure that the food needed gets to the people who need the food. On behalf of Team GBFB, I accept this award as a testament of their steady commitment to feed those in need and to end hunger here. The drum major traits can be so powerful when used for good, to show love and generosity to others and to achieve justice. In this case, justice equals the dignity of having food on the table. Thank you for this honor.